It's all about the heart, but when it comes to you, there's too much to say, and I never know where to start.
Since that day, no one had taken your place. No one can fill up the space left behind. I ask myself, could I ever love again? And there another beating of this kind.
I know the strife, I know the rain. How much hurt can one take? I know the fear I can't share. Seven nights on one heartbreak. By now you think I will let you go, that I stopped dreaming of you and I. But I just can't stop thinking about how you walk away without a fight.
The words you never say, they haunt me. The ones you did were as sharp as a knife. I ask myself if you ever thought of me, while you were slowly coming back to life.
I know the strife, I know the rain. How much hurt can one take? I know the sky, for heaven's sake. How many times can one heart break? By now you think I pick up the phone and tell you I've been feeling so good. But when it comes to you, there's too much to say, too much to be said by you.